the past few years, Apple has announced 2 or 3 smartphone models annually. According to insiders, in 2020 the Apple Corporation may present a record number of new products. In addition to the iPhone SE successor, they will present 3 basic versions of the iPhone 12 and a more compact version, the iPhone 12 mini. What is known about the new Apple smartphones? Interesting, Apple iPhone SE 2nd of May cost more than expected? It is expected that iPhone SE 2, according to other insiders, iPhone 9, will be announced in March 2020. And in September, the corporation will introduce an updated line of iPhone 12, including a smaller version of smartphones, the name of which has not yet been confirmed. The 5.4-inch smartphone will be different from the budget gadget. Functionally and outwardly it will be more similar to the iPhone 12 than the iPhone 8. The 6.1-inch base iPhone, 6.1-inch iPhone Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone Pro Max. Although the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro will be equipped with the same diagonal displays, they will differ in the configuration of the main camera, 2 and 3 sensors, respectively. The Pro Max model will also receive a module with 3 sensors. Probably the third module will be equipped with a telephoto lens. All 4 new products will receive screens with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and 5G modems. The reliability of the leak. It is worth noting that this information is not confirmed by the manufacturer. Partially assess the reliability of the leak will be possible after the announcement of the budget iPhone this spring.